Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for business schools. So here I am running a Facebook page for my business school, and to promote my school I am running a Facebook ad. So in this case I want whenever a new lead is received, automatically the lead details should be added in my Google Sheet as a new row. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and our action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add your Facebook leads to Google Sheets for business school. So here I have a Facebook page of my business school named as Elevate Business School, and to promote my school I'm running a Facebook ad. So in this case I want whenever a new lead is generated, automatically the lead details should be added in my Google Sheet. So this is the Google Sheet which I have created with the name Elevate Business School Facebook Leads. Here I have taken some basic fields such as lead name, lead email and phone number. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this button. In this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. Here I'm giving the name as Add Facebook Leads to Google Sheets for Business School. And here I'm going to select my folder as Facebook Lead Ads to Google Sheets. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now I'm going to click on this create button. Here in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. Here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook Lead Ads and my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever a new lead is generated, instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And now to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my Facebook account and authorization successful. Moving forward, here it is asking me to select my page. So here I'm going to search my page, which is named as Elevate Business School. And then it is asking me to select leads and form. So here in my Meta Business Suite, you can see all the lead ads form which I have created for my use. You can create your form as per your need. Moving back to Pabbly. Here I'm going to select my leads and form, which is named as Elevate Business School. Here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all leads in form. Now moving forward, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, let me take you to Meta for Developers. This is the homepage of Meta for Developers. From here, I'm going to click on this More, and from here, I'm going to select Tools. Here in Developer Tools, I'm going to select Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. And now here in Lead Ads Testing Tool, I'm going to select my page, which is named as Elevate Business School. And I'm going to select my form, which is Elevate Business School. And now to submit a new lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. Here I've entered a dummy data where I've entered full name as dummy user, email as demo@pabblytudes.com and a random phone number. And now I'm going to click on this next and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now moving back to Pabbly. And here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received full name, email, phone number and other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets and my action event as add new row. And now to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my account. And here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Moving forward, here I've already shown you my Google Sheet which is named as Elevate Business School Facebook Leads. So moving back to Pabbly, here I'm going to select my spreadsheet which is named as Elevate Business School Facebook Leads. And then I'm going to select my sheet which is sheet 1. Moving forward, now it is asking for lead name, lead email and phone number. So basically these are the fields which I've entered in my Google Sheet. So here instead of entering the data manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my Facebook lead ads. Mapping makes our text dynamic, so that whenever a new lead is received, automatically the lead details will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the name. Moving forward, here I'm going to map the email and here I'm going to map the phone number. So here I'm done mapping the data and now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see we have successfully received a response. So now let's go and check our Google Sheet. And here you can see we have successfully received a new response where we have received lead name as dummy user, lead email as demo@pabblytudes.com and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, let me take you back to LeadEdge testing tool. Here to create a new lead, we need to delete our previous lead. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here I'm going to click on this delete lead. And after clicking on delete lead, we need to refresh our window and that's a necessary step. Now again here I'm going to select my page which is named as Elevate Business School and my form Elevate Business School. And now to submit a new lead I'm going to click on this preview form. Here I've entered another dummy data where I've entered full name as test lead, email as test@pabblytudes.com and a random phone number. And now I'm going to click on this next and now submit. And now it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Google Sheet. And here you can see we have successfully received another response where we have received lead name as test lead email as test@pabblytudes.com and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Facebook lead ads and an action as Google Sheets. So that whenever a new lead is generated, automatically the lead details will be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.